Using 3 monitors with a docking station from Dell can greatly improve productivity by giving you more space to organize apps, documents, and windows. A dock like the Dell WD22TB4 Thunderbolt dock allows a laptop to connect to multiple displays, keyboards, and other devices through a single USB-C or Thunderbolt cable. Once the dock is connected, you can attach several monitors through HDMI or DisplayPort and extend your desktop across all screens. With the right cables and display settings, a triple monitor setup can be ready in just a few minutes. Step 1. Connect the Dell docking station to your laptop using a Thunderbolt or USB-C cable. Step 2. Plug 3 monitors into the dock using DisplayPort or HDMI cables. Step 3. Turn on the monitors and ensure the dock is connected to power. Step 4. Install or update Dell Display Manager for better monitor control. Step 5. Open display settings on your computer and choose Extend Display to arrange the 3 screens.